The Legion Veteran Tactical Squad. Exceptional and experienced warriors within the ranks of the Space Marine Legions are quickly singled out and honoured with additional training in all aspects of warfare. Equipped to the highest standards, so to further amplify their battlefield power, certain legions will further separate their veterans and raise them above the ranks by inducting them into warrior brotherhoods, martial cults, or specified veteran companies. This serves to create an elite body within the Legion to which other warriors can aspire to ascend, and from which future commanders are drawn.